Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is experiment number 3 in trying to kill off my sinus infection. Now, I've watched now dozens of videos, some very stupid, some that seem to work temporarily, but so far nothing says I killed my sinus infection permanently. Even though they have that in the title, they do something. They never come back and say, yeah, it killed it in 3 days, it killed it in a week, it killed it in a month. So this is experiment 3, and I'm going to take this bowl, which I've heated the water up. This has cayenne pepper in it, lemon, I think it has lemon seeds in it, and honey. And heat it up for 2 minutes in the microwave. And what you're supposed to do is put your head into the bowl and kiss your ass goodbye. No, and cover your head up. Now, you should have goggles for this, I suspect. And here comes Kathy. No, that's my alarm. Okay. I was going to get up and I was going to lie down for an hour, and I started coughing so much I could not go to sleep. So it is it's 9 o'clock. That clock over there is 3 minutes off. I put the Gulf oil clock in here, and it's usually not off, but it has a new battery in it. All right, and the noise here with the seat of the little yellow Volkswagen falling on the floor. I can glued in. All right, I'm not going to do 20 minutes of video, but I'll do 5 to let you know what's going on. I haven't shaved it. I haven't felt like it. I got to take a shower and go out and feed the cats. And every time I go out when it's cold, I start choking to death. So here we go. I'm going to be like Robert Wagner in Italian Inferno. Oh, I went down to the store and there was a man. He was bothering me. Anyway, so I put this over. You're supposed to put this over your face, and I don't know. You're supposed to be an Arab or a nun or what the hell, but and then bury your face in the stuff. I meant to put something underneath this, so I don't keep holding on the bowl. All right, there we go. Got my Ouija board coffee cup, and let's see if I can fit my face into this and not die. And not have the towel fall and not put my face in the stuff. Now the vapors are supposed to open your sinuses. Now my nose is already running. I may face any closer to this stuff. I'll be taking a bath in it. See where we stand now. 2 minutes is doing absolutely nothing. All right. I could boil this water, but I don't think it's getting any better. I had my head in there as far as I could. So even though I boiled it, steam would be coming out, but after 2 minutes in the microwave, it should have been hot enough to get some kind of vapor out of it or something, I would think, and it's not. So, all right, I'm going to try one more experiment after this one. This ain't working. You're supposed to boil the water and let it cool down, but none of the videos I've seen say how long until it cools down. It might be an hour for all I know. So I'm going to do the ultimate test here. All right, in a minute. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. And I'll be back in a minute with another video. Bye-bye for now.